how to back up your WhatsApp business chats. So you want to open up the WhatsApp business application. Then from here, all we got to do is press on the three dots in the top right corner, and we have to select settings. So after we have selected settings, all we got to do is scroll down until we see the chats option. So click on chats. And now we have to scroll all the way down until we see the option for chat backup. So click on it. And if you want to back up your chats, you see this option right here called backup, the black button. Just press it and then you can back up your chats that way. And also you can select to back them up to Google Drive. Right here, backup to Google Drive. You can select how often you want them to be backed up, as well as your account if you continue using this setting. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.